Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to create an account on Fiverr on mobile. To start, just go to your browser and then search for how to create an account on Fiverr. Just tap on that. And then you can see right here, how do I create a Fiverr account? There you can see the step-by-step process. Just click on that. And then right here, how do I create a Fiverr account? Just scroll down and there you'll see the step-by-step process. Here is the process. So first, go to Fiverr's homepage and then click Join. Next, enter your email address and then click Continue. And then choose your username. Then choose your password and click Join. And that's it! You are now registered on Fiverr. And then within the activation email you received from Fiverr, click Activate your account. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.